Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be having another look about MMAT. Okay, here today, I'm going to be deleting this chart right now, all the drawings and all the other stuffs. Okay, so we're going to be starting from the basically the starting. I will be giving you my technical analysis and my predictions at the end of the video. Also, today I wanted to really talk about the what George Polycovers tweeted. Okay, there are some speculations about some partnerships and all the other stuff, so I just want to take a look at that. Also, we're going to be talking about why it seems like MMAT will be bullish for the following week, but like again, we will see what will be happening and. What a lot of people would, what one person would do if he was George. Okay, so first of all, let's just start with a tweet. So, George Palikaros said, hashtag go beyond. And here, right now, here, he said he had a picture from Philip H. Knight, okay? So if you don't know who he is, like, make sure to keep on watching. First of all, he said that, um, like, what the picture said, that there comes a time in every life when the past, like, recates and the future opens. It's the moment when you turn to face the unknown, okay? Some will turn back to what they already know, some will walk straight ahead into uncertainty. I can't tell you which one is right, but I can tell you which one is more fun. Philip H. Knight, okay? So, what do the people too? Okay, the fun fact is that Philip Knight is the founder of Nike and also an alumni of Stanford University. Okay, another fun fact: Nike's success was a fluke souls derived derived from a family waffle album dubbed by the waffle trainer and hint at potential partnership. Like so, some right now, some people are thinking that there is going to be a hint at potential partnership because why would George put this image on his Twitter? I mean, he posts a lot of things. Also, he's really he spends quite a lot of time on StockWits trying to help the investors who have some questions about the MMT stock. So yeah, he likes the community and he trying to help us make money, right? So and he always answers some kinds of question. And it turns out that Philip Knight over here funded a University of Origin with $1 billion to research clean energy, new manufacturing, amongst other innovative sciences. Okay, especially mentions novel materials and nanoscale materials to overcome the challenge around the sustainability and green energy. Okay, here you can see there is a link, so kind of for a proof, and there is a interesting idea that Nike does have issues, that it does have issues with uh, counterfeiting. Okay, and I could see a nanotech maybe figuring in a partnership, but we'll see what will be happening. These are not kind of information that are just out there. This is just kind of speculations and some way of thinking about the people. I mean, I'm quite skeptic about it too, but we'll see what will be happening. And I honestly think that something great is coming soon. Okay, and I hope he has something that he's announcing soon. I'm worried our red days are not over without some press release. And let's finish cleaning this up. Okay, so we are still waiting for the damn market to recognize the proper sector and industry for MMAT. Okay, a lot of the brokers list them as a oil and gas, and even released a company research piece on the August 15th saying basically how awful this oil and gas company was compared to the rest of oil and gas industries. Okay, and it was just like 6 days ago. Okay, and a lot of people are basically yellows into this stock, but we're in this for the long run. I mean, especially right now, there have been a lot red days. As you can see, every white candle right here is the red day. Okay, here as you can see, for the past week, we have been only down 9%. The week before that, 3%, then 5% down. Then here we had 2 weeks that we were kind of yeah, here we were up, we were kind of flat for the whole week. Here, as you can see, we were down 3.86% for the week, and here 29% down. As you can see, this whole month was basically down. Okay, for a whole month, and for that whole month, we were kind of down right around 80%. Okay, so yeah, this is a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. Okay, like I know a lot of the people did buying right there, but what right now what they need to do is just average down. Also, another thing that I wanted to say, why it seems that MMT is bullish right now, but just basically because there is a picture online that the Bollinger Band has just been thin and horizontal. Okay, from 12th to 13th of August, which indicates a major change in underway is underway. And since 12th of January 2021, there have been no closing under prices from closing now. So I would just kind of tell you guys what do I mean about that. So as you can see, 12th of January is somewhere around here. Okay, let me find that out here, and 280. We want to find the 280 price. Okay, just there. So I will kind of we're kind of fixing it because it's not the 280, it's 281. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so as you can see, there has been not like a single close expect from these two, but two sharper like rejections right here. Here we had a close, but it was a rejection here too. This was not another close. This was just a open and right around the 280 level. But as you can see, we have not been like closed below that line. So this can be a pretty much. I know it kind of sounds silly for me, but yeah, this is a pretty much a good kind of a zone, kind of a support. And the DTCC, okay, the DTCC have just confirmed the rule that NSCC 2021-010 and set the effective date for the 24th of August, which prevents naked shorting and FTDs. Okay, so like we'll see what will be happening. I hope that this can be a pretty good week too. But if it's not, just average down again, bro. There's not much we can do because at the end, this is gonna be like this. That it's gonna be paid off, and but like I hope this makes a big change into the entire market and especially the heavy shorted stocks because this is being like heavily shorted. And let's just have a kind of a quick technical analysis and a predictions about it. Okay, so as you can see, we have been kind of falling to the downside. There's not much we can do about it. Also, just go to the 4 hour time frame. Here was a great like retest area right here. As you can see, we did fail. We did break through the structure, three breaks through the structure, made a new value lower low. Then we had a kind of a retest and we started pushing to the downside. What we don't want to reach, go past through is this line right here. It's a two, yeah, basically the low is at 281. Okay, right here, yeah, 281, not 280. So it's kind of close to the 280 mark. What we have not touched it yet. But the guys, yeah, like we will see what will be happening. I hope that something like this could happen. Okay, so yeah, let me know what are your thoughts. Peace out. Yeah, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day. And